The UK woke to the news not of another hopeful sign, but a genuine milestone. The Pfizer BioNTech vaccine, developed in record time, has been approved for public use, effective immediately. There are nearly 1 million doses ready in the UK, with 40 million on order, and so the rollout can start.
Residents in care homes for older adults and care home workers are the highest priority. Following that are those 80 years of age and above, alongside frontline healthcare and social care workers.
The logistics will be tricky, not least because the Pfizer vaccine must be stored at -70 degrees. Once it goes in a normal fridge, it's only good for 5 days.
So the initial tranche in December is going to enable us to get started, but the bulk of this vaccination programme, either through this vaccine or hopefully others as well that will join it, will take place in the period January through to March or April for the at-risk population.
Being first and being ready is, for a government under considerable pressure, a moment of celebration, but celebration still tinged with caution.
But there are immense logistical challenges. The virus has got to be stored at -70 degrees. Each person needs 2 injections 3 weeks apart. So it will inevitably take some months before all the most vulnerable are protected, long, cold months. So it's all the more vital that as we celebrate this scientific achievement, we're not carried away with over-optimism or fall into the naive belief that the struggle is over. It's not.
But public buy-in is still crucial. The regulators say they've been thorough and the scientific community concurs.
Where the time has been gained is actually in streamlining the whole process from the start of the research and development. Things that would have been done in sequence have been done in an overlapping sense, and people will realize that manufacturers even have been producing vaccine in advance of an approval. Well, this is, they've taken a risk in doing that.
The European Union, however, has questioned the speed of the UK process, suggesting that the EU regulator might be more thorough. And talk to the public here, and those reservations are easy to find.
I don't know, obviously lots of drugs come out quite quickly, but we usually have quite a few years to test them before we give them to the main public.
We definitely need a vaccine. I can understand people's concerns about it being rushed through, but that's what the trials are there for.
But the experts are clear. This may be the first, but the world needs as many vaccines as it can get. So if this is a new phase, it only starts here. Andrew Wilson, CGTN.